Shmaibo. Today we're going to work on fractions of quantities. How can you find fractions of numbers? For example, this question says, find a third of 24. We know you divide 24 by 3. I'm going to use a number line for this one. I start at 0 and I finish at 24. To divide by 3, I count in threes. And I count in threes until I get to the end of my number line of 24. How many jumps did I make? I made 8 jumps. 1/3 of 24 equals 8. But what if the question says find 2/3 of 24? There's 2 steps to this. Step 1, you already know. We find a third by dividing the quantity by the denominator. 24 divided by 3, we worked out, was 8. In this question, we have 3 parts to a whole. And we know the 3 parts must equal 24. We've already worked out what 1/3 was. It was 8. When we share in, we need to make sure each part is equal. So the remaining 2 parts are 8 each. Step 2, you need to multiply a third by the numerator. So 1/3 was 8, but I need 2/3. I need 2 parts. So 8 times 2. 8 add 8, or 8 times 2 is 16. 2/3 of 24 is 16. Step 1, divide quantity by the denominator. Step 2, multiply your answer by the numerator. Remember to divide by the bottom times by the top. What about this question? 3/5 of 65. Don't forget, divide by the bottom times by the top. Step 1, I divide the quantity by the denominator. The quantity is 65, my denominator is 5. I'm going to use a bus stop for this one. So how many 5s go into 6? We know it goes in once, and we have 1 left over. How many 5s go into 15? It goes in 3 times. So step 1, 65 divided by 5 is 13. Step 2, you multiply the answer by the numerator. In this question, we know there's 5 parts to the whole, so I'm going to draw them out to help me. I know that 1/5 is 13, so I know that the other parts also equal 13. I'm looking for 3/5 or 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 13, or 13 times 3, is 39. 3/5 of 65 is 39. Last one, guys. So in my question, it's 3/6 of 36. I know in this question I have 6 parts to make the whole, so I'm going to draw them out. And I need to find what 1/6 is to start off with. I do that by dividing my quantity by my denominator. 36 divided by 6 is 6. If 1/6 is 6, my remaining parts are also 6. Now in this question, I want 3/6. I want 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So 3/6 of 36 equals 18. Your turn. Have a go at these and upload them to Seesaw. Good luck, guys.